Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into account. Microsoft. Calm with your existing credentials. This ensures you have the rights to change OneDrive's linked address. Once signed in, make sure you can receive verification codes at an alternate email or phone number. You need to decide. Add an alias to keep data intact, or change the primary address which affects sign-in. Take action now by opening the Your Info page. This is where identity settings and aliases live, and where we begin making controlled updates. You navigate to the Sign-in Aliases area and click Add Email to create or attach the address you want OneDrive to use. This is safer than deleting the old address. Once you add the email, verify it by entering the code Microsoft sends. After verification, select Make Primary to change which address is used for sign-in. Make sure to leave at least one verified recovery option. This sequence updates your Microsoft identity and therefore changes how OneDrive recognizes your account. You finish by signing out of OneDrive on all devices and then sign back in using the new primary email so tokens refresh. This forces the service to recognize the updated address. Confirm file sync and access in the OneDrive web app and desktop client before removing the old alias. If something goes wrong, first recheck verification status and cached credentials. Clear stored credentials on the device or revoke sessions on the Microsoft account security page. Contact Microsoft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.